Are you torn between buying or leasing your next Infiniti? Let's break down the essentials, making your decision crystal clear. Now, buying means you own the car once the loan is paid off. It's perfect for people who keep their car long term and don't want to worry about mileage limits. Leasing, on the other hand, is kind of like a rental. It's perfect for those who want to keep up with the newest models, they want to spend a lot less up front, and keep their payments pretty low. Now let's talk financing. When you take a loan out on a car, you deal with APRs, annual percentage rate. This rate determines the interest on your loan. A lower interest rate leads to lower payments, but your credit history is a crucial factor in this. Now, your lease payments are factored by two things. One, the residual value of the car, how much it's worth at the end of your lease, and something called a money factor. It's essentially the lease's interest rate, but it also includes things like depreciation value of the car and taxes on it. Understanding the difference between lease rates and finance rates are a key factor in deciding how much car you can afford. But here at Glendale Infiniti, we're dedicated to help guide you through every step, ensuring you make the best possible decision for your budget and your lifestyle. I'm Chris, and I invite you in to visit us for a personalized consultation. Let's find your dream Infiniti together.